Welcome back to another episode of Little Crafters. Today I'm so excited because we're going to be making sun catchers. First, we need to gather some supplies. So you'll need 2 paper plates, glue or tape, scissors, an adhesive roll, and decorative items that you can find outside such as leaves or petals, and some coloring supplies. So my first challenge to you is to go outside and find some decorative items such as petals from flowers, leaves, grass, feathers, and more. I found a feather, some leaves, grass, and foliage that I'll be using today for our craft. I have also gathered 2 paper plates, scissors, adhesive tape, glue, and decorative supplies. First things first, let's start decorating our plates. Let's start with plate number 1. And now we're going to cut out a circle in our plate. Now we're going to cut out a circle and decorate our second plate. Great work! Let's grab our adhesive tape now and put our plate on top and create 2 circles. Now we're going to cut out our circle, but make sure you're going wider than the stencil. So you'll see that I made a bigger circle than what the outline looked like. Now let's peel off the adhesive tape and put the sticky side up so it's not touching the plate. And let's add our decorative pieces on top. Now we're going to grab our second circle of adhesive tape and put the sticky side down onto the decorative pieces. And let's glue our plates together. Beautiful work, everyone. Now let's hang our sun catcher in the window and catch those sun rays. And where's a better place to catch some sun rays than at the beach? Follow along to Shirley Parenteau's book, Bears at the Beach, as these bears work together to make the best sandcastle you've ever seen. Thanks for tuning in to Little Crafters. We'll see you next time.